Oh, hey, it's you. I've been expecting you. So by the title of this video, you can tell that I'm at the Jewel Grand in Montego in Jamaica, right? So what, you want another room tour? Sure, let's go. Okay, so disclaimer, this is an evening room tour because I actually checked in late today. When I came, my room wasn't ready. I'll tell you about that in the hotel review, but don't worry, I definitely got some daytime footage for you and you will surely see them before the end of this video. So let's get straight into it. So we're in a honeymoon suite at the Jewel Grand Hotel in Montego Bay, Jamaica. A fancy all-inclusive hotel, beautiful grounds, and it's perfect for a couple if you're on a vacation, if you're on your honeymoon, if it's just a weekend with your bae. Perfect little honeymoon suite. So if we take a look, you'll see that we are in the kitchen, and this is a fully equipped honeymoon suite where you have your microwave, a stove, and what looks like an oven, a dishwasher, your sink, your fridge is actually in here. Let's take a look. Tucked away. And of course you get some amenities with your room. So we have some water here, some sodas there. Unfortunately there's no wine. Tell me why there's no wine in a honeymoon suite, but that's all right. You can get wine downstairs in the restaurant. And down here is another part of the fridge, you know, so you can buy some stuff and store some veggies and fruits or whatever it is you want to store here. If you want to whip up something real quick on the stove top, then certainly you can do that. If you ordered room service and you didn't finish your meal and you want to leave it overnight, you can always warm up in the microwave for the next morning, right? So fully equipped, I love that. The design of this room is not very modern, but I love how cozy it is and pretty comfortable. You know, you have everything you need. You have a large flat screen TV on top of this little desk here, which has a few drawers for storage. You're provided with a few masks, and you have a few chairs and a couch where you can just chill and watch some TV with bae or your family or your friends or whoever you decide to come with. And of course, a lovely balcony. This is an Oceanview Honeymoon Suite. So you know we love that ocean view. You know we love that view where we love to see the sea, the Caribbean Sea and the poolside, all that good stuff. We have all of that. One thing about this hotel is that they have a lot of art. So even in the lobby area, you'll see several art pieces displayed. They're for sale, of course, and it seems like they're local artists. And the same is true for the rooms, the suite. So you can see that there are a couple of art pieces on the wall, and it just adds character, it adds personality to the room, and I really like that. We also have a coffee table here, so if you want to have some breakfast or drink some coffee while you're watching TV, you know, that's always pretty useful. So let's move away from the living room and the kitchen, and let's take a look in here where we have some storage space for our luggage. I am a sucker for rooms with plenty of storage space, so love that. Oh, if we take a look at the ceiling, there's a sunken vibe that's going on here, which I actually like. I also love the spotlights in the kitchen. I think it's a nice touch and it really lights up the room. You know, if you look at the kitchen, it's very well lit. Now, why don't we go check out this bedroom? Step right in. So, once you step into this room, the first thing you see is this magnificent shower beside the tub, which is beside the bed. If you want to give bae a show, you know, you can do it right here. I love it. I really love this design, how open this concept is. I love the shower. It is huge, and I love that the tub is right in the room. It's really sexy, it's really romantic. I'm enjoying this room. To the left, We have the closet, yep. And if we take a quick look inside, we'll see that we also have a safe and a few hangers. Now this room does not come equipped with a robe and slippers. I've gotten so used to that it's a little disappointing, but that's all right. It's not a deal breaker. Moving into the bedroom, we have again a nice large flat screen TV on the dresser, which doesn't take up too much space. It's just nice and compact, but still has several drawers for storage if you're one of those people who like to take your clothes out and just get comfortable in your hotel room. And then here's the big king size bed, which looks very comfortable. Actually, it is. You see how bouncy that was. And we have two side tables. We have the lamp that's shaped like a pineapple, and so is the nightstand. And we have two, one on each side. I like the bed. It's simple, nothing too fancy. And then of course another art piece above the bed, which, like I said, this hotel has a lot of art. There's a ceiling fan here, which has also a nice leaf design. Here's another art piece. I'm not sure if it's a lighting fixture, but it's shaped like a leaf. It actually looks like there's supposed to be a screen here to separate the bathroom from the bedroom, because you can see the tracks where the screen is supposed to be. But I don't mind that it's open, to be honest. I don't mind it at all. So tell me what you think about this room. You know, do you like it? It's again the honeymoon suite. Do you think it's romantic enough for a romantic getaway for you and babe? Leave it in the comments. Tell me what you think about this room. We're not done yet though. We just have one last bit to take a look at. Finally, a washer and dryer. I love that there's a washer and dryer in here, so you don't have to do your laundry when you get home. You can do them before you leave here. I mean, if you feel like doing it, right? Because you're here on vacation most likely, and who wants to do laundry while they're on vacation? But it's convenient. So I think this is a good touch. There's also an ironing board and an iron in here. A hair dryer is provided in the bathroom here, as well as, you know, the usual amenities, shampoo, lotion, shower gel, etc. That is the room tour. So tell me, what do you think about this room? Let me know in the comments. Would you actually stay at the Jewel Grand with babe? Do you agree that it's a good option for couples? Water? Actually, have you stayed here at the Jewel Grand before? What was your experience? As a matter of fact, what other couple hotel have you stayed at and had a good experience? Let me know in the comments. I really hope you liked this video. Thank you so much for stopping by. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and definitely give me a thumbs up if you like this video. I really appreciate your support, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.